building this Gundam today for new breakers, and this is going to be pretty interesting. Just a quick snap together and stuff. Hello everybody, and how are you today? All Gunpla builders and anime fans of Gundam, I am building the Gundam Haven from Battlogue, which I love, as well as in Gundam Breakers custom sets I can actually create something similar. But as well, I'm enjoying today, and I'm a big fan of Gundam and a lot of other animes, and I also grew up a lot of 80s cartoons here in America. I do comic books and artworks. I do have a site called Zimion's Global Concerns. I am starting off slow with my life with stuff. I'm hoping to open a studio, but something like a Gundam Cafe similar with my anime characters, and to work with Sunrise and Bandai in the future. I don't know what direction this stuff's going. I got a trademark, and it's hard times. Is with also the copyright that I got for my own characters, but I love building Gunpla, and I am more likely love drawing more. Hey, my Gunpla is going a little crazy. I think Amuro's driving it.
Behind me! Avoided it? Damn it!
And as well, with all these hard times that many people are facing so much, as I put the rest of the Haven together, I'm trying to carry out my goal because my grandfather passed away a couple years ago, and to actually be a real artist and to work with everybody in community. So I hope you all in the Gunpla community is enjoying this build. Thank you for viewing, and I'm gonna just finish up, and this is about it. Thank you.